One evening, a husband and wife were sitting at home, discussing their future. The wife asked, "Do you hope for a boy or a girl?" The husband thought for a moment, then smiled and said, "I'd like to have a daughter." The wife was surprised. "Why?" "If we have a son, he will carry on our name and stand strong for us. Why a daughter?" The husband calmly looked outside the window and replied, "Even if we have a son, he'll grow up to be independent. He'll chase his dreams and stand tall on his own. He'll respect me, but eventually, he won't need to depend on me as much. One day, he'll carve out his own path. That's natural. But if we have a daughter, the bond we share will be something unique. One day, when I grow old, she'll come running to care for me. She'll ask about my health and she'll make sure I'm never lonely." The wife's eyes filled with tears as she listened. "A son will stand proud, but a daughter will stand lovingly by my side. One day, when I feel weak, it will be my daughter who holds my hand and comforts me. To her, I'll always be a hero. A daughter's love for her father is boundless." He looked at his wife with a smile and said, "Daughters look up to their fathers like gods. Isn't it natural to want to experience that feeling?" The wife sat quietly for a moment, taking in his words, and then she smiled. That evening, they both realized something. They would love their child unconditionally, whether it was a boy or a girl.